First week of being back to university. Oh damn, it feels good to be back. What have I been up to? Well, let me show you. What sort of dentistry is this? KK, actually, let's make this a little bit more organized. My name is Saad and welcome to today's brand new video. So, what happened here on day one of our first week at university? It was a warm summer's day or autumn's day. Anyway, it was one of those days in Bulgaria, in Plovdiv. We were at Kapana Fest, which is a festival that happens every single year, just celebrating Plovdiv's culture. This normally happens in the center of Plovdiv. Now what happens in Kapana Fest? Well, there's loads of gifts that you can take back home if you've come on holiday. There's loads of foods that you can try out, and there's just so much to do and so much culture to see. For example, I got to try out these vegan sweets, and surprisingly, they actually tasted nice. So this is cardamom. Cardamom, huh? Okay. It's nice. How does it smell? So I'm about to try the hottest chili sauce I've ever tried in my life. And apparently I'm gonna die, so if I die, I die in it. Oh my god. Okay, don't go past your limit. I'm actually dying. Day number 2. Now is when we get a bit more into the dental side of things. So, in our fourth year of dentistry, we have to actually go around looking for our own patients to treat at the university. So, one of the easiest way to do this is to create your own business cards. And that is exactly what I did on my second day of this week. It isn't the best one, but it's my first one. So, this is what my first business card looks like. Bezplaten Pusten Pregled. This means free oral checkups, and obviously I had to include a picture of an oral checkup being taken. You know what I'm saying? Standard. Next thing, ime, meaning name. Saad Afzal, standard. Telefonen nomer, telephone number. Obviously I've put a little block on that, but that isn't going to be there. My number's going to be on there. And then nomer nastaya, room number 305. Etage means floor 3. Rabotni chasove, hours of work. Sariada, Wednesday 10:30 to 1:15. This is when we have conservative lessons, so this is when I want the patients to come in. Now I'm gonna hand this over to the printing shop. And right now I'm at the printer shop. I'm gonna get these cards printed, and then hopefully we can find some patients this year. Yes, they are in Bulgarian actually, because most of the patients that we get will be Bulgarian patients who can't speak English, so we need to make sure that we clarify exactly where our classes are and all of our details. I actually have an update on this because it has been way past just the first week of university. I know I've taken too long to film this video. I'm sorry. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for it. So here's a little update. The update now is that I have actually gotten a few patients. I've done some fillings, and I've learned so much about what it means to be a fourth year dental student. But if you need a checkup, or if you have any problems in your teeth, such as maybe a cracked tooth, or maybe you just need a filling, maybe you have sensitivity, if you have any of these problems, or maybe you need a tooth extracted or a denture or whatever it is dental related, hit me up on Instagram and I'll try to help you out if I can. And if you're in Plovdiv, you can come down to the classroom and we can give you a little checkup and see what sort of treatment plan we can organize for you. Now, the other thing that happened on the second day of the week is that we got our PPE from the university finally, and it was actually quite a lot. I was shocked. So good job, University, Plovdiv Medical Uni, you guys are doing it. Basically every single person got their own pair of gloves, their own hand sanitizer, a reusable mask, and a whole box of disposable masks. So we got quite a lot of stuff. So, you know what I'm saying? They did a pretty good job. But then for the rest of the day, I pretty much just sat home, studied, and just went to classes. And it was just a busy studying day. So no one wants to see that. Let's move on to day 3. Day 3. Now we were finally getting somewhere with our dental work. Me and my group decided to go around Plovdiv just looking for patients all around town. We started at Mall Markovo Tepe, which some of you might have seen by now, where we found a few people. Oh, yes, yes. So, G.
I'm a dentist, guys. I'm a dentist. I'm a good dentist. Come to me, I will make your feelings. White feelings, silver feelings, amalgam feelings, you name it.
Metal fillings?
Feelings.
There are no metal fillings though.
Oh, I'm talking about amalgam
Oh,
feelings.
fair.
Stupid boy, you will feel.
No, but T, tell us, how many patients are we gonna get today?
Well, as the first day guides, I predict a grand big 0.
I think if we just manage to talk to people, right, because it's in Bulgarian, that's gonna be amazing. Obviously, Tino's complete Bulgarian, so he's gonna be signing us off with that. Yes, I will. Oi, study guys, yeah, genius life. Oi, what are you studying? Root canals and that. So we just had our first encounter trying to get some people. We got their Facebook, but we'll see if they come into our lesson. It doesn't seem like it so far. TG, how many patients have you got so far?
And then we moved on to a park nearby. Now at the park we actually managed to find quite a few people who agreed to come in for a checkup.
Again, patients right here. There's Hassan. Look at him speaking to Bulgarian patients. Man's making moves.
And one of the people that we found actually took a picture of us and printed it out, and he brought this into the actual clinic. So let me show you guys.
Yo, welcome back to the vlog, guys. What are you saying? What are you? Go on, Romana. Romana, how many patients have you found?
0.
I'm dead.
Oh my god.
Wait, let me take the picture. Wait, get in.
You're recording. Oh, you did a picture?
It's alright. I'm recording, but he's taking a picture.
So there you go, that's just our entire group, and this was the patient that we found. And yeah, he just took a picture of us, and it was quite a cute, wholesome moment. What can you say?
So guys, we just sat next to this random stranger because we're gonna try and ask her for a checkup.
Здравейте. Говориш ли английски? Ние сме от Медицински университет в Пловдив, дентална факултет.
Ако искате ли, ние имаме безплатен устен преглед. Ако имате ли кои проблеми в зъбите, или искате ли протеза, или имате ли кариес, това всичко работи безплатно. Имате ли Viber или WhatsApp?
I think we're doing it, you guys.
Oh, and we got desserts at the end of the day, so that was pretty nice.
Yeah, Miku Coca-Cola.
Oh, Jamal. Can you show your desserts, mate? Oh, yeah. On a break from getting patients, yeah? How the patients go?
Alright, actually.
There you go, we got patients, yeah?
Yeah, maybe.
We're all tired as hell.
Day number 4. Ooh, now we know that a new year of university has started, but this also means that there are a whole load of new first year students. So we went out with MedConnect and we actually went bowling with the first year students, just making them feel a lot more comfortable.
Yeah, Hamza, where are we going?
You tell me where we're going.
We're going bowling right now, innit? How good are you at bowling?
You know, I invented bowling, you get me?
Oh, invented bowling.
I'm joking, man, don't put that
Damn, oh, professional bowler, yeah? So we're going for a strike, okay?
Hey, not bad.
One more go.
Oh, so close.
Go on, Hamza! What happened, man?
It's the ball, isn't it?
Oh, it's a ball.
Then we went go-karting. Actually, okay, let's be honest, I didn't go go-karting because I can't drive. It is much easier, but I wasn't feeling it on that day. Okay, we got some pictures instead, so here's that picture. If you want to see more, follow my Instagram right down there. Now that we had met the students and made them feel a bit more comfortable with this country, it was time for the information evening. Day number 5. Everyone came together at the same place as last year, and we did a few speeches and presentations for them, and obviously your boy did a speech as well. I talked on prosthetics and physical education, which was pretty good, but prosthetics was pretty interesting. I'm going to put a short clip of the speech that I did over here, but if you want to see the whole clip, then I will put a link in the description, and that's the only place you can find the link, by the way, so click on that link and you can watch the entire video.
Now I'm going to hand it over to Eben, who will talk about psychology, histology and embryology. Tell us how. We will.
Say.
So I remember it was the first day of our prosthetics lesson in our second year of dentistry. We walked into our class and our teacher assigned us our seats. He was like, just sit down, sit down. And then all of a sudden he had a bag just like this. And he grabbed something like this out of it. And I'm just sitting there like, what sort of dentistry is this? He's just given us a block. What could this be? Okay? I walked into class, gave it to my teacher. You know what the response was? It's trash, start again. I also got to meet all of the first years, and I had to promote my channel a little bit.
With learning the bones, they give you the bones, your teachers.
I think that is when I met a lot of the people that know me on this channel, so it was really fun meeting you guys. And then after that we got to go on all of these other MedConnect events, and it was just so fun and exciting, and I'm glad to have met every single one of you. Now day number 6, this was the last day of social events, and obviously the most lit day of social events as well. I was invited by MedConnect to the barbecue at a whole villa. Now there was a swimming pool, there was barbecues, there was dominoes. Actually, you know what? Let me just show you.
Oh, can't wait to have this. Another one. Another one. Another one. DJ Khaled. Damn. We got in this challenge where we had to eat these sweets and we lost, but it was really fun.
3, 2, 1, go! One at a time! One at a time! One at a time! One at on to the next one! One at a time! Come on! Come on, girl! One for the goal! Not the winner!
All I'm saying is that the other team were cheating, mate. I'm just being honest, mate. The other team, cheaters, mate. Cheaters, exposed. Now the events were over, we had so much fun, and it was the end. But wait a minute, I have a message for you from one of the fans of this channel.
Hey guys, make sure you like the video, smash the subscribe button, type some comments up, and get following my guy Dentist Saad. We'll see you in the next video.